I have been collecting bits of wood from the fun forest. We could use this to build a den. It'll be fun.
I guess that'd be kind of fun.
Hands. Yes. Nice.
I love you, sir.